it's me with you. Today we're making 2 pink slime. Yeah, it's gonna be 2 pink for you guys to see. And plus I gotta get out this skunk from my other video. This is just gross. This is Joel slime from the video. That was gross. But this is awesome. Like, feel it. If you guys can feel it through the screen, then you're a miracle. My dad hates it. Psych, he loves it. He loves the lower inside slime. Let's get some red in there so it looks like blood. She's sweet on the outside, but not sweet on the inside. So I'm just gonna put some red in there. Like, it's blood. It's blood. Blood. I'm like a bloodthirsty zombie. Give me some marbles. Give me some pearls. Give me all that, and give me the diamond play buttons. Give me now. And also, if you guys haven't subscribed, please, or my dog, Luna, will wake you up at 3 a.m. And then there's gonna be Smile Dog. Yeah, let me take a selfie. I am going to throw in some memes on the videos. It's so hard to get these lids back on. Like, so hard. I don't even know what to do. You know, I'm using the other one. Wow, the other one does work. No, it doesn't. It's going to take... It took like 4 hours for me to get this lid on. So yeah. Okay, I got it on now. Okay. Let me just go watch school real quick. Slime. Okay, now that we going to get some water. Water! Okay, I need some water. Dump it. Bum, 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 bum. Now it's like a river. Okay. Now I need some pink beads. Some 2 pink beads. Super pink slime. This is probably gonna be my most favorite slime. Slime tester. Getting a lot. Got 2 pink slimes. So we got the onesies slime. I got all that crap. So also, please subscribe. If you haven't, just again, please. And also hit the like button. Hit it now. Hit it. Like, try to find this video. I think Luna's eating it, but who cares? It's a video. She won't choke on it because it's small. Small. It's small. Don't comment on bad parent. Okay, this is way too pink. I told you guys it's too pink for me and you. Woohoo. It's too pink for you and me. It's too pink for me. Should I throw in some white? No. Should we? No. Should we throw in some pink? Yes. I'm too pink. I'm pink, da da dee da 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 dee da 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 dee da 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 da. But my camera voice editing, it sucks, and just don't believe that editing, the camera thing. That's why people don't subscribe. It's because of my voice. That's why they don't. Because they hate me. It's nice. pink slime everywhere. Heh. Heh heh. Boop, 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 boop. Need some activator. This is it so far. And it hasn't been mixed. Yeah, that's very ugly. Thank you for saying that, guys. I need to mix it. I need to mix it well. I need to mix all the beads together. I need to mix it. I need to mix it. This is my slime. Oh, it's cool. It's like Lawrence's slime. But instead it's more thing. But the backwards slime, which is the Joel slime, it's actually getting better, so yeah. So it works for all YouTubers, because YouTubers are lucky and they upload videos and edit, but I don't. I'm not an editor. I'm not. I'm sorry, guys. I just want to care. I just want to This is burning my eyes already. It's like Valentine's slime. Like, you got a little bit of white in there. Got a little bit of white. Kick it out. Oh, that was hot pink. I thought it was baby pink. But it's not. I'm just colorblind. Oh, it was. It was. You can come back in the club. Sorry. It's okay. Slime said okay. Okay. Yo, this slime is nice, bro. Hey, yo, this slime is nice, bro. Wait, what? Slime is nice! Slime is nice. Slime, guys. Slime is nice. Nice. Okay. Now I'll just add the dye. I'll just add the dye. Just add you. Okay, I need some more nice dye, which is almost gone because I love pink. Pink dye. It's too pink slime. Too pink slime. Next to Joel slime, looks super cute. Because this is Joel slime, looks all jewelry. This is the one side slime, all galaxy. My dad says it looks like galaxy, but I don't believe him. I think my dad just... And plus, Kara's way more better at drawing than me. She just roasted me. Yay. I don't care if people roast me because I'm a bad YouTuber. So please subscribe so I won't die because my dad's forcing me to do it. Psych. When I was forcing me to do it, she's like, oh, can you make a nice YouTube video or I'll wake you up at 3 a.m. I'm like, okay, finally. So that's how I became a YouTuber. Even like 2 years ago, I heard her in my head. Just knew I was gonna get a husky name. So I'll just get some slime in here. Some nice pink slime. Just scoop up the beads. Scoop them up. Scoopity doo. Do. It's old school. Do. It's old school. Do. It's old school. Do. Here's some water. Here's some a little bit water. Now we get the lid. I think I have enough time to label it as well. The 2 pink slime. Oh crap. You know what, guys? I'm ending this video.